Hey, let me show you all health features that I have found on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So first of all, let's start from this phone, and then I'm going to show you all of them that are available only on the watch. So in the phone, when you go to the health application, first of all, we can find heart rate measurement and also option to set low and the high heart rate alerts when we are resting. Next, we can also find stress measurement and also the high stress alert. Over here, we can also measure our sleep, but also the blood oxygen level during the sleep. We can also turn on snore detection, and we can check the skin temperature during sleep. We can also measure our IgE index, but we have to wear our device for at least 2 or 3 nights. We got also the period prediction, and that's actually everything from the application. Oh, there's also last thing, but I'm not sure if we can call it an health feature. But we've got the heart fall detection, so it'll automatically make a phone call to the specific number that we have set up. But we can also turn it on always, not only during the workouts. Now let's go here into the watch because we can find other things here. Like for example, we've got that sleep. Go for the health. So as you can see, we can for sure measure our sleep. There's something that I just show you. We get also option for daily activity, so our daily steps, activity time, activity calories, total burned calories, distance while active, steps, and stuff like this. We can also find some breathing exercises. We can track our steps, we can track our exercise. In the exercises, we are also check our VO2 max. By going below, we can also find the vascular load. There's option to check the blood oxygen level, not only during the sleep. And we can also check with Samsung Health Monitor some features, but they are only available in the Samsung phones. So we can check, for example, the blood pressure. So we can check the blood pressure and we can make the ECG, but only if you have the Samsung phone. Take a look. We can click here and we get this information that we need a Samsung phone to use the Samsung Health Monitor. And that's basically it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching. That's all things that I have found on this device. Let me show you if you find it useful, or maybe I just missed something.